You know, write the vision down, make it plain, place it upon tablets, so he that readeth it will run and basically tell it. Um, Basically paraphrasing one of my favorite scriptures. And the reason why I bring that up is because, 2025 is coming up, and I'm trying to make sure this is the best year that I have in a long time. Basically, by making sure that I write my visions down and write suitable plans to make it happen. And how do I plan to do that? Well, got to make it clear. All right. My last video, I talked about my stacking goals. I talked about what I wanted to do about going to the gym and basically my channel. Well, let's talk about the action items, okay? Number one, we stack in order to prepare for our future, but we do it in the present. How important is it for us to take our earnings and turn it to something tangible, purchasing silver and gold and other assets? I wondered what would be my goal for next year. In precious metals, I would like to have 100 ounces of silver. I wrote it down, 100 ounces of silver and 1 ounce of gold. It's just simple. Now, I have to think about it. How am I going to get that? Well, the good thing is that I do YouTube, I do my coin rings, my employment, but I would like to do it with my hobby, my extra income. My goal is to get 100 ounces of silver, also 1 ounce of gold. If I look at today's number, on the back, my 2025 year goal that I'm doing here in December 2024, I'm looking at least $36 an ounce for silver. Even if the number goes up, I'm looking at today's price, about $36 an ounce for an American Silver Eagle, and 100 ounces of it will be $3,600. And I'm just saying that I may catch gold at the price of $2,800 an ounce, which would give me a total that all I would need to make is $533 a month, which would be, if I create a product like my coin rings made out of silver, depending, these are copper, but just as a physical representation, if I make a ring out of a coin and sell it for $80, I could sell 7 rings for $80 each and make $533. If I can do that consistently for 12 months, I could put away enough money to buy my 100 ounces of silver and 1 ounce of gold. Okay? So let's do the numbers there, just to make sure I'm on the right track. $36 an ounce, okay, times 100 would be 3,600, plus 2,800 will give me $6,400 for my stacking goal for next year, 2025. Now, what can I do? Today, I thought of 4 designs of rings that I will sell for $80 a piece. Hopefully, I can sell 7 rings a month for that price at least. And that $533 that I make from that will be used to purchase my 100 ounces of silver at $36 an ounce and 1 ounce of gold at $2,800. Now, if 2025 comes and silver and gold prices spike to the roof, I'll make my adjustments. But the plan is set in stone. My goal is 100 ounces and 1 ounce of gold. 100 ounces of silver, 1 ounce of gold, okay? Write the vision down, make it plain. Pretty simple, right? Now, I did go to the gym. I went to Planet Fitness and I enrolled in the program for the year. All right, I'm investing $29 to $30 a month in a membership, okay? Now, my fitness goal is to lose 50 to 60 pounds in that year, okay? Modest. That's anywhere from 4 to 5 pounds a month. Pretty simple. Eating 2,800 calories, fasting, 3 days a week of strength training, 2 days a week of cardio, and 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Pretty simple. Write the vision, make it plain. There we go. You don't have to wait to 2025 to start. You can do it right away. Write your vision down for next year. What goals you want to accomplish? And then you can start it today. As soon as you write it down, the next day, the least, at the latest, you can start the next day. And by 2025, you off and running. You're off and running. 'Cause I wrote the plan down, right? It doesn't have to be hard. And it's pretty simple, just like that. So the stacking goals of 100 ounces of silver, 1 ounce of gold, $533 a month. Sell 7 silver rings for $80, and that goal can be accomplished. All I gotta do it every month. To lose 50 to 60 pounds in a year, 4 to 5 pounds a month, 2,800 calories a day in a meal, 6 to 8 hours of sleep, 3 days exercise, strength training, 2 cardio and stretching. Voila, the goal is met. Write the vision down and make it plain. Start the next day. 2025, you'll be off and running. You don't have to wait for the New Year's resolution. You can start the day for your 2025 goal, right? Then the third thing, I'm glad that my channel is growing, that I'm building a family here, friends and family. Come by, support me. Thank you to my good friend, Giuseppe Vincenti. We call him Vino. My friend in Germany, Coin Ring Brethren, donated $150 to the channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. We will be doing a giveaway because he'll be sponsoring a giveaway for 1 ounce of silver. And we'll be having channel stickers and some other channel memorabilia, all because of this donation. My goal for 2025 is to go from 14,000 subscribers to 25,000 subscribers. Plan on doing that by doing 3 days a week a video. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. 1 live stream a week, and anywhere from 2 to 3 shorts a week. It's a daunting task, but I'll put a schedule together to make it happen. I understand engagement helps my channel out more than being dormant for 2 weeks or so. So if I do that, I believe, and monitor my my metrics, I can increase that. I can accomplish that goal to 25,000 subscribers by the end of 2025. 25,000 subscribers by the end of 2025. If y'all have any suggestions, anything that you think would help me accomplish these 3 goals, put them in a comment below. Put them in a comment below. I appreciate it. Make this real quick. I appreciate it. Because you guys who watch these videos, those who leave the comments, I do it for you. Because you comment, you come back, you show support by viewership, by offering suggestions. You know, you help me out with the live streams. I love the community. Thank you to all members and subscribers and those who just come by to watch the videos. I hope that one day you will subscribe and comment so I can give you a shout out as well. But guys, there you have it. 3 things that I wanted to focus on today for 2025. Number 1, my stacking goals: 100 ounces of silver, 1 ounce of gold, anywhere from 50 to 60 pounds, my fitness goal, and also 25,000 subscribers by the end of 2025. All right, guys, this is JT from JT Coin Rings, where I talk coin rings and all things precious metals. You can accomplish your goals today for next year. All you have to do is write the vision, make it plain, so they who read it can go run and tell the next generation. All right, guys, take care. I love you. JT Coin Ring, I'm out.
Take pride in your stack and wear it. Johnson Toe is an American craftsman who could take your favorite coin design and create art that you'd be very proud to wear and something very special to share. JT Coin Rings, handcrafts, handmade jewelry, especially for you.